See, Agriba, Daddy Humble, if you see my plan this time around, as I'm going back to the village,
now you want to be a big boy.
Let me tell you something. My number one plan is that I am going to buy one full bag of rice and send to the village for them to use as a replace Christmas.
I would like to buy that rice, but me, I still need to buy clothes. So what I will do is, if landlord just pay us, I will buy clothes and I'll buy half bag of rice. I send to them so that if I come to the village, I'll look fresh.
Humble. Agriba. So this is your plan for me and my family.
How?
You're asking how? You don't know what you did.
What did you do now?
You were looking at my woman's boot.
Hey!
You were looking at her backside.
Humble, did you look?
Did you look?
Hey!
Lord, we didn't look.
Okay, what were you looking at?
Look at what we're looking at.
We're looking at that flower.
You're lying.
Now, landlord, I did not look at your woman's butt.
See your life. So you are looking at the flower.
We just want to beautify that flower over there. So that is why we are trying to get a perfect view from angle 45 or angle 90.
Exactly. Baby, go to that flower. Let me see something. Go there. Let me see. Now the both of you look there. Let me see. Did it not now show that you were looking at her?
No.
Did it not show?
No. It's not flower we are looking at. Let me come. Landlord, you just relax, and we are not looking at her. We just wanted that place to be beautiful. We wanted to beautify that flower. That is why we are looking at that place.
You know what? I'm done with you. Get out. Hey, leave.
Just like that?
I said leave.
Landlord, after 3 years of staying with you and everything, is that how you want to discharge us?
Go. Now.
Okay, yeah, pay us off now.
Pay what?
Pay us now, just pay us.
Pay off, kill you. Baby, go and get me cutlass. Pay off, kill you. Come and spend 3 years. 3 years, kill you. Thieves. Hey.
Humble, now that man has rendered us homeless. After 3 years of serving that man, we did not live with anything.
Hey, not tell my girlfriend Mimi. I promise her if I'm coming back to the village in December, I will come with a car. Just
look at me that want to buy clothes and half bag of rice for my people this December.
I
have a plan.
Which plan is that one?
I have one plan. And let me tell you.
Hey! Agriba, you don't have any gun now.
And leave that one for me. Abi, don't you trust Agriba again? Yeah?
I trust you.
But one thing, have you robbed before?
Yes, in my dream.
Leave that your dream aside. This is time for reality. We are going to face it now. If you go there, don't call me Agriba. Call me Scorpion. I will call you Mosquito.
Very good, though.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Mosquito.
Scorpion.
Mosquito.
Scorpion.
Now let us go now.
Okay.
Mosquito. Mosquito. This man is not around.
Where will he go now? His car is not here.
His car is not even here. That man likes waka waka.
I don't understand this man.
And today that I want to come and rob him, that is when he knows he will go out.
Oh, what do we do now?
I don't know now. What do you think we should do?
He's not around now. Let us go back home.
No, in this Lagos, it's not good to come for robbery and go back home. If you come for robbery and the person is not around, you wait for that person. If the person come, you rob him and butcher. Yeah, so I think we should go and hide behind our flowers and wait for him. So that once he come, and you will.
No problem. So you're my boss here.
I know.
You tell me what to do.
I will teach you work. Don't worry. Let us go now.
He's here. Yes, he's here. Let's just wait some.
Come, Musa, Aliu. So nobody to open gate for me. I've been blowing horn since. Look at Musa.
He's coming.
We are going to rob him where?
Yes, let's attack him. Let's go.
Abubakar.
Your money or your life?
Please, I don't have money.
This guy don't know how to bullet. I will blow the trigger on your head.
You know you're with you give money or your life. See, I don't have money, and I've given my life to Christ. I've given it to. Yeah.
Oh, you see what I told you? This man is very stingy. He's very stingy. He doesn't want the money.
Humble. Humble, why did you call my name? This was not our plan now, Humble. Why would you have to call my name in this operation? You have spoiled everything now.
But you got your own name now.
It's because you called my name, that's why I called your name.
Humble.
Come on.
So this is the both of you. I knew it that one day the both of you will become thieves.
Close the mouth there. Close the mouth there now. See, you have luck that this gun we are robbing you here with is a toy gun. If not now, what are they about to cut out your head with this gun?
Remove that toy gun from my face. So you're robbing me with the toy gun. You're pointing me toy gun. Do you still want to run?